Hello everyone, 안녕하세요. 월화수목 페파피그 엄마표영어 스터디 1의 나쌤입니다. 오늘은 캠핑의 세 번째 시간, 수요일의 주요표현과 스크립트를 따라 읽어볼게요. Listen to the sounds of nature. Listen to the sounds of nature. 자연의 소리를 들어봐. What is that sound? What is that sound? 저 소리는 뭐예요? It means it's time to eat. It means it's time to eat. 그 의미는 바로 먹을 시간이지. Never mind. I'd rather sleep outside anyway. Never mind. I'd rather sleep outside anyway. 신경 쓰지 마. 나 바깥에서 자는 것이 어쨌든 낫겠다. 이제 스크립트를 듣고 따라 읽어보세요. Listen to the sounds of nature. What is that sound? That is the sound of crickets chirping. What is that? That's an owl. Look, there it is. Wow. And what's that noise? Oh, I'm not sure. As that is tummy. My tummy rumbling is one of the best sounds of nature. It means it's time to eat. I love tomato soup. So do I. There's another one of that epic sounds of nature. What? Come on, children, into the tent. It's bedtime. We aren't all fit in. The tent is too little. It'll be fine. In you go. Move further in, Mommy Pig. Daddy, we're too big for the tent. Never mind. I'd rather sleep outside anyway. Night night. Good night, everyone. 캠핑 가고 싶은 요즘 수요일의 캠핑 에피소드와 함께 했습니다. 그럼 목요일 내일 또 만나요. Thank you. See you on Thursday.